Imagine a world where every weekend is an opportunity to be a hero. Not just any hero, an ocean hero. Welcome to Saturdays for the Sea, brought to you by the Honavar Foundation. Honavar is a hidden gem in coastal Karnataka waiting for your discovery. From the golden stretches of Kasarkod beach to the Apsarkonda Falls, nature's wonders are calling out to you. But here's the twist. They have a lot of trash and we need your help cleaning them up. So every sunny Saturday from October to May, we are turning beach days into action days. You can embark on a coastal trek where every step reveals breathtaking views. You will also learn some marine wisdom with fellow Earth champions. Trust us, you will never look at a seashell the same way again. Your efforts will directly impact the local ecosystem, protecting everything from vibrant shorelines to our beloved olive ridley sea turtle. It's not just a day out, it's a day that counts. Our kickoff is at Tonka Beach, and from there we will trek till Sharavati estuary. The best part is, this will happen on every Saturday evening and you are invited to all of them. So are you ready to turn your weekends into wonder-filled, impact-packed adventures? Surf over to Honavar Foundation website or WhatsApp us to sign up now. Remember, in this story of sea and shore, you are not just a spectator, you are the main character. Help us make this initiative a wave of change by sharing this video with friends, family and fellow ocean lovers. Follow us for weekly updates and let's make waves together. Honavar's coastline is calling. Will you answer?